How to remove kitchen sauces out from carpet. Sauces are sticky and somewhat hard to get rid of. Whether you've been cooking up a storm on your kitchen floor with your trusty wok or accidentally tipped the bottle over leaving it there, you'll need to address this due to its stickiness, as they don't quickly disappear unless you do something about it. Knowing how to remove kitchen sauces from the carpet is very important. The stains on your carpets make them look ugly and dirty sometimes, depending on their shape, color, and size. Moreover, sometimes the odor can be seen or sometimes detected by you as soon as you enter your house. This smell becomes worse when you leave a sauce color on the carpet for a long period and become dry up eventually. This video will discuss how to remove kitchen sauces from carpets. How to get soy sauce stains out from carpet. Soy sauce is a thick and spicy sauce made from soybeans, water, wheat, and salt. It's used in many Asian dishes, but it can also be a tricky stain to remove. Below we'll explain how to remove soy sauce stains from your carpet. Blot up as much of the soy sauce as possible using paper towels or a cloth. Mix 1 teaspoon of liquid dishwashing detergent with 2 cups of warm water in a small bowl. Dip a sponge into the mixture and wring it out so that it's not too wet but has enough moisture to soak up some of the stain's color. Scrub the stain lightly with the sponge and rinse away any residue with warm water from a hose or spray bottle. If there's still some color left in the carpet after step 2, mix half cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 1 tablespoon of liquid laundry detergent in a bucket or other container large enough to hold both items comfortably. Pour just enough of this mixture over the stain to cover it completely, then work it into the fabric with your fingertips until all traces of color have disappeared. This could take up to 5 minutes. Rinse away any remaining solution with water from a hose or spray bottle, then blot dry with paper towels before putting the carpet back into use again. If you need help removing stains on your carpet, you can give us a call at +65 6844 3164